Ready? Black shoes would low-key be devious as fuck. Or the brown shoes, I mean.
Yeah.
Like those.
Nah, those pop a little
But
bit
these make it pop a little more, yeah. Do a walk around the back.
Is GPS or nothing?
Nothing, yeah.
So what, you could tell it where to go and it'll tell you to turn right and shit?
Yeah. When'd you get in Arizona?
At the gas station.
Oh, well, we going for another because I need a Red Bull. I'm literally gonna walk in there, into like the gas station. Actually, we'll just go to the close one here because 5 minutes there, 5 minutes back. Yeah. Put it in that mode. Oh shit! Last minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the gas station here. Grab a Red Bull. I'm gonna wear this thing in though, and they see me every day.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like, "What the fuck?" So maybe I'll go to a different gas station. We'll go to the one by Stratford. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, go to Holly Lane.
Yeah,
Just
that
go on
one.
the mobile.
Yeah, we'll do that one. Cause I'm not trying to get judged at the one that I usually go to. Oh, I forgot my watch.
You got a jacket on.
That usually don't matter. I still be wearing my watch. I'll make sure that shit pop out. I don't know why I put my blinker. You wanna get some at the gas station? This guy. I think that should be fine because it's way angled more. Actually, let me just put it on that. Leave it there.
Just try and act like you're like tucking in your chin almost.
Oh, double chinning the whole time?
Yeah.
No, because we already have it pointed down, so we're probably good. Bag of Red Bull. Another one. I think this will be my second of the day, so it's not too bad. It'd be bad if it was like number 5. Do a little walk around also. Oh shit. At least it's not raining anymore.
Yeah, no, that's nice.
Like it was earlier. What's the gas? Oh. Why is the gas here also taxed? Oh wait, let me just leave it on. I did not mean to turn the car off. My front wheel is like dry. Why is this not wet? That's weird. It's like old dry right there.
Oh, this car's sexy as fuck.
Yeah, the front wheels are dry.
God,
But then the back wheels are all fucking
look at this thing.
big butt. That's a big butt.
That thing tough.
Oh yeah? That's a big butt.
That's just the Merc.
Bro, and then you get, when Steven gets his in a few months, or Steven's gonna get his probably in the next 1 to 2 months. Mine, Steven, yours. Yeah, but you gotta fucking lock in. Steven can get his. Steven make enough. So then we're gonna have this, then Steven, and then you. But you can't get some gay AMG then. Cause you can't have M4, M3, AMG.
M5 it is.
M5 would be tough.
M5 it is.
Alright, let's go inside. We might get judged. Yeah, is this thing still beeping?
Yeah.
Or is it blinking red?
Yeah.
Okay. We're chilling.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A lot more to pay. Right.
Oh, they got it. W. You got some? Popcorn? No, I'm chilling.
I got a protein bar in my bag.
How's it going, boss? Just that. I forgot my wallet in my car. Thank you. Have a good one. Back to look at the butt.
M5 it is.
Yeah, there's M4, M3, M5.
3, 4, 5. Just the whole lineup.
Oh, it's gonna look so tough. Oh, and then Casper is an M2.
2, 3, 4, 5. Just have every series.
Yeah, this bitch tough.
I didn't know it said M4 comp on the sides too. That's kind of tough.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I ain't getting no gay shit. Comp only. Alright, get in. I'm fucking cold. Time to go back home and lock in. Ugh.